It stopped raining, the sun's out, and now the trees are down, so it's time to start planting my new food forest at the farm. So join me. So if you've seen in previous videos, see if I walk through here, this is all under shade, all under the canopy of our mature rambutan trees. And now, as you can see, they are no more. So today's job is to get some posts and some string and start planning this section out, which is going to be the new food forest. So a little food forest here on the farm. I've been collecting trees for a while. I bought some yesterday. So just want to plant lots of different kinds of fruit trees here, rather than just have like all rambutan, far too much rambutan. So just to let you know, just to recap, that tree stayed as it was. That's a plum mango, big plum mango tree. Just trimmed it up. That's my hom tree, which is used for perfume. So what happens with this tree, you get a company to come in and they drill it, and they drill literally hundreds of holes every 6 or 8 inches throughout the tree, and then they plug it, and then they come back about 6 months or a year later and take that away and make perfume from that. So all your fancy Paris perfumes, this is the tree where the key ingredient comes from. So that's quite a valuable tree for that kind of purpose, but I just like it. It's a nice big tree. I just took a few branches off because of what we're doing. I didn't want to overcroach anything, but I think we've got 2 actually. We've got another one over there, look. Big old tree. So that's what's that. That's my home. So that's for perfume. Don't wear any of that myself, sweet enough as it is. So this section, what I'm studying now, I'm going to get the concrete cylinders for citrus. So that's going to go here. I think I'm going to have about 9 citrus trees in this section. And then we move to this section here where we've got a nice cacao tree displaying out quite nicely. But in between, I'm going to get probably two nice longish, probably 7 meter long, meter or so wide raised beds. And then the last section between the 2 down trees there are going to be a structure for drying, sun drying cacao. Now we've got a lot of cacao coming on the farm, and we buy it from other farms locally, so we need more space. I've got some little trees here. Some of these trees in here got a lot of cacao at the back. If you can see these, a lot of cacao at the back. I just bought a monstera plant just here. Got that for 500 baht, but there's another plant in there, and an actual monstera I can break that up into 2 or maybe 3 other plants as well. So for 500 baht, thought that was a bargain. These trees here I got at the same time. Actually, this is a sapodilla. This is a graft. Got that yesterday. Behind it we have a pomelo. Yeah, this is a pomelo. Now we had a pomelo. Pomelo's Kater is my wife's favourite fruit, and I bought a pomelo tree before, and it fruited, and it's really good. So it's in our food forest, but it's not actually a genuine pomelo. This one is. And then behind it, this bad boy here, is a seedless guava. So this is another graft. So we've got some guava at this farm here. On the other side, produce some fruit. This is a seedless variety. All the rest of these trees here have grown from seed from our stock. So I've got some Malay apple here. It's like a rose apple. I've got a very skinny, needs to get in the ground, avocado. We've got a durian here. This one here is called stinky bean. It's a big tree and produces these pods with some stinky beans in. They're good to eat and they're kind of spicy, but very high in protein. But yeah, not everyone's cup of tea, but I like them, so that's good. Over here we have a money tree. I got this from a seed from my friend's place. Got some from a neighbour of mine. Picked some of these nut trees. They are one of the nut family. They're cashew nuts. So these cashew nuts. So the cashew nut, I've got a couple of those here. I planted one at our house as well, just outside the food forest. Couldn't fit. Oh no, I did get one in the food forest. I got two planted there actually. One in the food forest and one near the restaurant. And then we've got some other things. We've got some strawberry guava down here, and a few other things which I'm going to make some hedgerows from. Also got down there. We've got. Oh yeah, those little ones down here. They are. We've got an elephant apple tree down there, but these are the ones I'm looking at. Are trying to remember what they are. I'm looking for a sign. They are Burmese grapes. So it's kind of like a Burmese grape. It's kind of like a longon, the way it grows on the tree. Again, another neighbour, or I tell my dog loves this guy. He had a tree, so I picked up a few seeds, and they've grown really easy. So that's good. So some nice sort of native trees there. So I think I've maybe got enough trees here for to start the food forest. Some are grafts, some are grown from seed, but we will see once I go plant it out. I should like a few mangoes in there as well actually, so I might have to get a few grafted mangoes. So I'll do that. But yeah, that's it. Just a quick update, you know, where we are. Lots of work to do on this. It's going to keep me busy for the foreseeable future. So chickens are hungry. That's sound of it, laying eggs. So I'm going to get cracking. So busy weekend ahead, and we'll get back to you on the next one. Like and subscribe, really helps us, and helps the channel. And hope you have a great weekend ahead, or even a week if you're watching it some other time. And we'll see you in the next one. Have fun and stay free.